What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It allows users to perform various operations like inserting, updating, deleting, and retrieving data from databases. What are the different types of SQL statements? There are mainly three types of SQL statements: Data Definition Language, DDL, Data Manipulation Language, DML, and Data Control Language, DCL. DDL is used to create, modify, and delete database objects like tables, indexes, and constraints. DML is used to manipulate data in the database, like inserting, updating, and deleting records. DCL is used to control access to the database and its objects, like granting or revoking permissions. What is a primary key in SQL? A primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a table. It ensures that each row in the table is uniquely identified and can be easily accessed. A primary key can be a single column or a combination of columns in a table. What is a foreign key in SQL? A foreign key is a column or a combination of columns in a table that refers to the primary key of another table. It establishes a relationship between two tables and ensures data consistency and integrity. What is a join in SQL? A join is used to combine data from two or more tables based on a common column or set of columns. There are different types of joins in SQL, like inner join, outer join, and cross join. Inner join returns only the matching rows from both tables. Outer join returns all the rows from one table and matching rows from another table, and cross join returns all the possible combinations of rows from both tables. Can you explain the difference between a view and a table in SQL? A table is a physical object in a database that stores data in a structured manner. A view, on the other hand, is a virtual table that does not store any data but retrieves and displays data from one or more tables in a specific way. Views can be used to simplify complex queries, provide security, and hide sensitive information from users. Lastly, can you tell us about some of the functions in SQL? Some of the commonly used functions in SQL are aggregate functions, used to perform calculations on groups of records, like sum, AVG, min, max, and count. String functions, used to manipulate string values, like concat, substring, and replace. Date and time functions, used to manipulate date and time values, like dateadd, datediff, and getdate. Logical functions, used to evaluate conditions and return true or false values, like if, case, and coalesce.